river, here's your workman's comp video.
Shaylee's videoing me.
Oh my god. If I fall in the river.
Dante's Peak when the guys in
Dad, you are not the guy off Dante's Peak.
The big current comes along and shoots
Be careful, Dad. This is why they're staying with me, because I can't fish them out myself. We do in the truck. There's that thing.
Trying to decide what materials I need.
Do you need me to go in there?
What holds it up? Two big poles.
Big logs?
Two big logs. One of those logs breaks on it. We need to look underneath, like right in the center.
Oh, look, there's a big tree. Let's use that.
What are these? Are these 2 to 12? Now these are 2 to 12. So write this down, Shaylee.
I'm going to record you saying it.
I need, I'm going to get 2 10 to 12. I don't think I need any more than 2. We're going to cut them. How long is it? Here, hold
Wait,
this.
say that again, Dad.
Hold this on the crack right there.
Jeez, I'm gonna die.
Where the board meets the other board. No, where does the board meet the other board on the top here? There's going to be a crack. Is it right there?
Oh, it's all the way over there. Oh my god.
Not right here.
Stagger the weight. Stagger the weight.
Where's the split? Right here. These 2 to 6.
We're gonna die. On this rickety bridge in the middle of the canyon.
This is where they split.
I see some pointy things down there I don't want to fall into. These are long boards. Ian.
Those are 20 footers. They're really that long?
Yep.
Well, just measure the amount that you need from there to there, the broken one.
What it's like between... Here, hold that on that board right there.
Those are 20 footers. Okay.
I'll get over here.
Please, oh please, I don't want to fall.
20 times 3 is 60. 60 plus.
20 times 3 is 60. 60 plus.
I'm going to need about 80 feet of 2x4s.
80 feet of 2x4s.
80 feet. Let's do 80 feet of those and let's do 16 feet of these.
Of what? The little planks?
16 feet of 2x12. 16 feet of 2x12. And 80 feet of 2x4s.
Don't forget these boards that are supporting it. You can't have it tilted like this.
Well, then we're going to have to get a handyman jack to lift them. I don't know how else to do it. Can we just take it down?
We can't take this down to the Home Depot. So it would be fun. Stagger the weight. Stagger the weight.
So
Stagger the weight.
I think that tree brought it down a little bit on the angle.
It did.
Well, I'll just
Pretty
get...
sturdy rig.
What, do you think I need to get new boards for these?
Looks like it was recently stabilized.
Tell you what, I'll get three 2 by, how wide are these? What is it from there to there?
Adam. Adam.
4 feet?
4 feet.
So,
4 feet.
so I'm going to need one, 2, 3, 4.
Where are you
7.
What? Come back! Come back!
Grade
Oh,
4.
there he is.
4.
Don't leave us!
Alright.
I'm just gonna tell you
Look at the
something.
rock. Look at the tree around the rock.
There's a rock in there.
The roots of the tree.
Oh yeah.
There's fish in there. You probably can't see them though. Hey, do you want to hold that? I'm gonna hold that. Doesn't look like a cracked log. I think we might just have to jack it up. Just on that one side. I think the logs are 2 different sizes. And you know what these logs used to be? Outside? Telephone poles. Telephone poles. There's wires stapled to it.
You know, they just took down a few telephone poles.
I think if I bought 32 feet of two, I bought 4 2 to 12 by 8 feet long. And then
For 2 by 12 by 8 feet long.
for the west side. Right. Probably thinner. And then I'm going to buy 80 feet. I'm going to buy 8 footers. Okay, let's measure from here to there. I might need to buy 10 footers. There's fishing in 9,000 of them.
From where? Where,
There
Dad?
are, you can't see them.
Where, Dad?
Just from the middle of that.
When did they plant them?
Middle of that to the middle of this. The week before Thanksgiving. A little bit more than 4 foot, so.
A little bit more than 4 foot, though.
Here, hold it in the middle of that one. I didn't think I would just buy 8 footers. I might buy a couple 10s or a couple 12. I'll look at the price of the wood.
Okay.
How big is, let's measure this one over here. Is this a 10 footer? Here, measure, put your, here, take this tape measure. Go over there on the other side of the bridge. Yeah, right over there. Go measure from that board to this one. Is that 10 or, that's an 8 footer. I can't believe the one over here is like a 20 footer. See, they go from the end of there to here. They go all the way to the end. To here. That's a 12 footer. Alright.
So you got
Maybe I'll get
10s,
some 12.
12s, and
They're
8s?
more money, but
Well, whatever works, but I mean, the only
yeah,
thing...
but we've got several patrols working on it. One
I
patrol
want to make sure that it's safe
yeah.
for the boys. There's the
A lot
trading
of them are bringing
post.
their own chainsaws. A lot of these guys have their own chainsaws. I may put them out by my back door. I don't think I'm going to set them out on the benches. I'm not going to put ours out, not our good ones. Just staying in. Like they might keep those 2 new ones in. I got to get my foot in the air. It's starting to swell. I need to take. You think a handyman, what do you think we're going to need to lift it? A crane?
I think if you get most of the...
Come up and,
No, Dad, I think if you get most of the weight off of the...
no, he couldn't even get in here on the road, could he?
I think if you got most of the weight from the tree, cut the tree, then you can balance it up again. Because the telephone poles aren't damaged. You just need to level it. The tree's just so much weight on it, it's still there.
Put a sign out here that says, "Be careful, tilting bridge." And just fix it as is.
No, we gotta fix it before scout camp comes.
No, the wood badge is fixing it this coming Friday.
Okay.
They're at least fixing what the damage is. They might not get it level.
Well, what if we put this thing across so no one goes? What if I do this, Dad?
What?
put this up.
You can do that.
No one comes.